Hello and welcome. My name is Alec Stvartak, and over the past few years with Project Dragonfly, I've learned something that has truly reshaped my understanding of how conservation, teaching, and community come together. And that is, meaningful change starts right where I live, with the people that I interact with on a daily basis, and the place that I call home. When I began this program, I knew that I cared deeply about the environment, but I didn't yet have a way to connect that passion into action in my own backyard. Dragonfly helped push me to think bigger, ask deeper questions, and to see my home landscape of Bridgehaven, as well as my classroom, as places where real conservation could grow. Each project helped me find my voice rooted in conservation. Visualizing ecological change showed me how to tell honest stories about shifting landscapes. Eco-evolutionary work challenged me to understand how species responded to rapid stress like climate change and ocean acidification. And creating story maps taught me how to communicate science in ways that people could truly connect with. A major turning point for me was my field work in the Washington shrubland steppe during the Northwest Wildlife Conservation course. Working with Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife biologists, I helped trap, tag, vaccinate, and release endangered pygmy rabbits. I assisted local conservation groups in bat telemetry surveys and even spotted a ferruginous hawk. Those moments grounded me in the reality that conservation is hands-on. It's relational and deeply tied to place. It reinforced why the work that I'm doing truly matters at home. This brings me to my master plan, South Point Conservation. SPC became a place where my coursework, fieldwork, teaching all came together. It grew from an idea into a living organization. Native pollinator plantings, seasonal community workshops, waste reduction efforts, student-led conservation, and mixed-method ecological research right here in the Pacific Northwest. Through SPC, I learned that conservation isn't something that's far away. It's something that a community builds together. There were challenges, balancing teaching, family life, and graduate work, navigating community dynamics, learning to let my student leaders truly lead. But those challenges strengthened me as an educator and helped me grow into a clearer, more grounded conservation practitioner. Looking ahead, I'm excited about SPC and what it can become. I hope to continue hosting seasonal gatherings and bringing neighbors together around conservation. I'm actively exploring the possibility of formalizing SPC as a nonprofit organization. More and more community members are asking me how they can get involved, and my long-term vision is to build a shared leadership so that future generations, including my own children, can inherit and grow this work. I want SPC to become a lasting legacy of local stewardship. Project Dragonfly helped me find my voice, and it was rooted in place, community, and possibility. I'm leaving this program not just as a teacher or as a graduate, but as someone who is ready to help mobilize my community towards meaningful conservation. Thank you to my instructor, my peers, my family, and my community. And thank you, Project Dragonfly, for helping me turn care into action. Here's to the next chapter, and to growing something lasting right here at home. Thank you.